Kalau aku mau ambil video untuk dokumentasi dari naskah ini, aku nanti akan cut. Dingin sekali, Masya Allah, tabarakallah. Samsimanyong. Hello everyone, I am Mila Roshanika from Indonesia, a participant of the Asia Pacific Teacher Exchange 2025 for global education organized by APSEA UNESCO. My placement is Wonsan Girls High School, Jeonju, South Korea. Anatol said, hello everyone, my name is Mila Roshanika from Indonesia. I am one of the participants of Asia Pacific Teacher Exchange 2025 and organized by APSEA UNESCO. My placement is at Wonsan Girls High School. Ulang sekali lagi ya. Participant of the Asia Pacific Teacher Exchange for Global Education organized by APSEA UNESCO, and my placement is at Wonsan Girls High School in Jeonju, South Korea. Hello everyone, my name is Mila Roshanika and I am one of the participants of Asia Pacific Teacher Exchange for Global Education organized by APSEA UNESCO. And my placement is at Wonsan Girls High School, Jeonju, South Korea. Okay, and then the Tourism Service Department here aims to equip students with practical skills and global cultural awareness in hospitality and communication. My project is to strengthen students. Samsimanyong. Coba penutupan dulu kali ya, karena itu yang esensial. Nanti ini bisa kelihatan nggak? I'm Mila Roshanika. See you again in another inspiring learning experience. Thank you for joining this journey. Terima kasih. Kamsahamnida. I'm Mila Roshanika. See you again in another inspiring journey. Thank you for joining. Inspiring. I'm Mila Roshanika. See you again in another I'm Mila Roshanika. See you again in another inspiring. See you again in another inspiring learning experience. Thank you for joining this journey. Terima kasih. Kamsahamnida. Another inspiring learning. I am Mila Roshanika. Thank you. See you again. I am Mila Roshanika. See you again to another inspiring learning experience. Thank you for joining this journey. Terima kasih. Kamsahamnida. Bye bye. Writing by hand. Slow the process. Good for our writing by hand. Good. By connecting Indonesia and Korea through folktales. By connecting Indonesia and Korea through folktales, students discover that story can bridge culture, nurture empathy, and inspire responsible global citizenship. By connecting Indonesia and Korea through folktales. By connecting Indonesia and Korea through folktales, students can explore their empathy and also raise their global awareness. Improvement nggak apa-apa lah ya. Through eco-friendly bookmaking, students learn sustainability and creativity good with each. Through eco-friendly bookmaking, students also can learn sustainability and creativity can go hand in hand. Through eco-friendly bookmaking. Through eco-friendly bookmaking, students can also raise their creativity and make something meaningful hand by hand. Hand by hand or hand by hand? Hand in hand, through eco-friendly bookmaking. Hand in hand. Through book story, through eco-friendly. And through eco-friendly bookmaking. And through eco-friendly bookmaking, students can also learn about how to make creativity by hand in hand. Yes, writing by hand can also good for our learning process. Student sketching storybook. Student sketching. Student sketching storyboard by use paper, and they make another translation. So the book from Indonesia, Bahasa Indonesia, becomes English and Korean Hangul. I was mad at them, the Malin Kundang missing stone in Hongbu, Indonesia, in Hongbu and Nolbu in English. I also introduced them one of our famous storytale from Indonesia, Malin Kundang, and I introduced also Malin Kundang. I also introduced them to a famous storytelling from Indonesia, a folk tales that titled Malin Kundang. And Malin Kundang. I also introduced them one of our famous storytale from Indonesia, Malin Kundang. Hongbu and Nolbu. Hongbu and Nolbu. And also I introduced them one of famous story from Korea, Hongbu and Nolbu. I was presenting GCED to raise awareness about global citizenship education. I was presenting about GCED to raise the awareness of global citizenship education for students in Wansanger High School. My project is strengthening cross-cultural literacy through local story from Indonesia and Korea. My project goal is strengthening cross-cultural literacy. My goal project is strengthening. My goal project is strengthening cross-cultural literacy through local story from Indonesia and Korea. My goal project is strengthening cross-cultural literacy through local stories. And this is my goal project. My goal project is strengthening cross-cultural literacy through Indonesian folktales and Korean folktales through local story. This is my goal project during my placement at Wansanger High School. I want to strengthening literacy to local story. Strengthening project. During my placement, I carried out project. During my placement, I carry out the project titled Strengthening Cross-Cultural Literacy through local story. During my placement, I carry out my own project titled Strengthening Cross-Cultural Literacy True local story between Indonesia and Korea. Empathy, creativity, and true Indonesian and Korean folktales. True Indonesian and Korea Indonesia. True Indonesia and Korean folktales. Through Indonesian and Korean folktales, they can learn about empathy, creativity, and global citizenship education. 네, 맞아요. 감사합니다. Bye bye. Finish.